lively tour guide for today. By the way, I'm Gina Andrews, but you can call me Ans, where it is located in the last letters of Gina Andrews from LTSP Travel and Tours, and I will be your tour guide for today in our tour with a place full of stories to tell and a great combination of culture, tradition, and different mesmerizing tourist spots to offer. It is also one of the independent city that we have here in Region 3. It is no other than Zambales. But I think I pronounced it wrong because according to Mr. Alvin Richard, it should be Zambales! The word Zambales is derived from Samba, which means to worship. As the Spaniards found that the inhabitants in Zambales back then are worshiping the Anitos. And by the way, kanina, sabi nila invisible ang driver nila. Well, not me. Sir Bench over here will give you an SSS ride, which stands for Safe, Secure, and Smooth Ride. Say hi, Sir Bench. Say hello, Sir Bench. Fantastic. And now, before we finally begin the tour, please be reminded of all the safety protocols, guidelines, and precautions so that we can have a safe and memorable tour. Just remember the word CASE, C-A-S-E. C for carrier, that carries everything that we need, such as first aid kit, toiletries, and alcohol for everyone's safety. Next, we have letter A, that stands for attention. For you to understand that if you hear me whistle once like this, it means that you still have 5 minutes to roam around the place. But if you hear me whistle twice and raise my flag like this, it means that your time is up and you need to go back in our bus. And always remember that our bus number is 1 with a plate number of CVX 216. Again, our bus number is 1 with a plate number of CVX 216. Next letter, we have letter S for synchronize. Synchronize your time to the time so that no one will be left behind. Time check is ready for 35 in the afternoon. Now, if you have any question, don't hesitate to call my name Ans, and I will gladly answer all your questions. That stands for enjoy and take nothing but pictures and leave nothing but your footprints. And now, before we finally begin, are you excited for this tour? Yeah! Parang kulang sa energy. Once again, are you excited for this tour? Yeah! Alright, there, I am loving the energy. But for now, allow me to do the head counts first. 1, 2, 3, 28, 29, 30. Alright, we're all complete. I think it's time to discover Zambales. For our first spot, we have the Mount Pinatubo. Mount Pinatubo is not just famous here in Zambales, but also in Luzon and in the entire Philippines because it is one of the most visited places here in the Philippines. And also, Mount Pinatubo holds a lot of stories because it tested the resiliency of the people around it because of its historical eruption in 1991. And Mount Pinatubo is located or situated in Zambales, Pampanga, and Tarlac. And that is the reason why it tested not just the character but the resiliency of the people. Next, we have pabalik po ba? I'm sorry. I will give you 3 hours to roam around the place, and I hope you enjoy, my dear tourists. Alright, time's up and we need to go back in our bus. And allow me to do the head counts. 1, 2, 3, 28, 29, 30. Alright, perfect. Now let's go, without further ado, let's go on our next tour spot. We have the Patipot Island. The word Patipot means small, white sand island. And that is the reason why Zambales, Patipot Island is the hidden gem of Zambales because of its clear or crystal clear view of water in the Patipot Islands. And also, it is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and that is the reason why you can put out your sunscreen already and enjoy the place. And I will still give you 3 hours to stay and enjoy the place. Alright, with your tourists, time is up and we need to go back in our bus and allow me to do the head counts once again. 1, 2, 3, 28, 29, 30. Alright, perfect. Let's go on our last tourist spot. lastly, we have the inflatable island. Kanina, meron tayong bigating Mount Pinatubo. Meron tayong mas bigatin na Patipot Island. Ito, pinakabigatin. Kasi hindi lang siya famous here in Zambales, Luzon, and the entire Philippines because it is the largest inflatable playground that you will see in the whole Asia. And also, this inflatable island, nung mga bata tayo, iniisip natin na sana meron tayong slide, sana dinadala tayo sa mga park. This is a perfect place para ma-meet nyo yung sinasabi nyo, hinihil nyo yung inner child nyo. Pero at the same time, pwede nyo siyang ituring na healing my inner child Pro Max dahil sa sobrang lalaking inflatable na to. And I will give you 3 hours to enjoy. I hope you have a good experience here in Inflatable Islands. Alright, you're now all, we can now go back on our bus and allow me to do the head counts. 1, 2, 3, 28, 29, 30. Alright, perfect. Now, syempre, uuwi ba tayo ng walang pasalubong? Syempre, meron, we have the Zambales Mingles, which is pinupuntahan at talagang minsan, pupunta lang sila sa Zambales para sa mga mingles na to. Next, we have the Ginipang Santa Cruz. Ginipang Santa Cruz is made up from dried rice grains, which is also a balance of sweetness. And this is the perfect pasalubong that you can have because this is really a delicacy of Zambales. And then lastly, we have the Botolan Linga. Botolan Linga is a sesame seed. It is a candy. Dahil nga ang Zambales is a producer of sesame seeds, ginawa nila tong candy. Para nga naman hindi lang siya snack at the same time nutritious siya. And sadly, I believe that will be the end of our tour. And together with on behalf of LTSP Travel and Tours, I hope you learn and enjoy something from the tour. And this has been Sheena Andy Cruz or Ants. And I hope that I give you 1,000 reasons to smile. Mabuhay at balik po sila.